Please join me in welcoming our next presenter to the stage, Professor Masayuki Tera from the Graduate School of Engineering, Department of Biotechnology and Life Sciences at the Tokyo University of Agriculture and Technology.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. My name is Masayuki Tera from Tokyo University of Agriculture and Technology. And I'm a founder of a new drug discovery platform based on powerful concept. So directly targeting gene structure using small molecules. So we are facing a big problem in drug discovery, the depletion of viable drug targets. Traditionally, the small molecules targeted the disease-causing proteins. But over time, the number of novel effective protein targets the number of such druggable protein has shrunk. As a result, the drug development is more difficult, more expensive, and the patients must rely on hospital-based care, such as nucleic acid therapeutics. To break this bottleneck, we are pioneering a new drug discovery approach, so directly targeting genetic structure, which should open the new door to self-medication and a lower-cost medication. So by using small molecules. But the researcher have thought it has difficult to target RNA by small molecules because there are much differences between the small molecule and the RNA structure, RNA molecules. But if you see the RNA structure, there are a number of folded structure in RNAs. And among them, G quadruplexes, we call G4, frequently formed in nucleic acid RNA structure. And this G4 is a very unique 3D structure which can accept the small molecule because it has very complex 3D structure. So if these small molecules combine to G4 structure and stabilize it, so the protein production can be blocked. And such G4 structure is very depending on the sequence on RNA. So that's why you can specifically recognize G4 by certain small molecule. So there are many examples of the G4 existing genes which is related to diseases, as shown here. But so far, it is difficult to precisely predict the G4 structure from the RNA sequences. We solved that problem. We obtained more than 2,000 G4 structure by using our G4 binder, which is original compound for us. And the G4 sniper can machine learn these G4 sequences to predict. So to showcase our platform, the first we are working on the AML treating small molecules. So by using our G4 sniper, which is G4 predictor, we identified 18 locations in the AML causing gene X. And among them, we identified 14 G4 as confirmed by our compounds. And among the 14 potential G4 structure, we selected one with the 3 criteria. The one is high affinity with a positive control, which is the reason why the small molecule can bind to this G quadruplex, and the low mutation frequency and the low off-target risk, which means no identical sequence exists in the whole genome. So we also established a high-throughput screening system. So far that we tested more than 10,000 compounds. And we successfully identified 25 classes of ligand. And among them, this is not the best one, but the compound can suppress gene X production through the G4 binding. And this compound also shows anti-AML activity. So now we are building a hybrid business model. The first, we develop our own pipeline, like the AML target drug, to prove the power of our technology. Then we partner with the pharmaceutical or fine chemical companies, providing our G4 targeting platform for broader usage. This dual model should mitigate the risk while keeping upside high. The market potential is enormous, as you can see here. So the 30% growth rate per year. So for our AML targeting therapy, that we can estimate from the incidence and the mutation rate and the treatment rate and the annual drug price. So we estimate the top annual revenue reached to 1.6 billion US dollars. And that is just one target because our platform can scale to many diseases. So our team combines deep scientific expertise with me and with business and IP experience partners. Personally, my career spanned both pharmaceutical company and academia with a strong focus on gene targeting therapies. So, and now we are now seeking partners and investors to advance our pipeline, expand the platform, and realize our G4 targeting drug discovery strategy. Thank you very much for your kind attention.
Thank you very much for the wonderful